Yay, rain. Yeah, rain's the best. Yay. We can go out and get wet and then go back inside and be really cold. And or we can go out and if you have an umbrella, like still get wet because it's raining a lot. And, I mean, look at that. Can you see that? See how much water? You see it? It's a lot of wet. What is that? Is that a bug? It's not a bug. It's what it's yeah, you know? Oh, that's a bug. That one's a bug. Can't get it. Whatever, it's gone. God. Yeah, so, you know, it's, was I talking about it?